Lesson 15, practice number 9. Dear Sir, if you are an investor and want reliable advice on what stocks to order, what stocks to hold, and what stocks to sell, we invite you to talk with Mr. Henry Baker, head of our research section paragraph. After weighing what you tell him about your needs, he will be able to tell you what stocks you should order, what stocks, open parenthesis, if any, close parenthesis, you should sell, and what stocks you should hold, paragraph. To learn more about what Mr. Baker can do for you, stop in to see him during the noon hour at our office at 15 Park Street, period. Or, if you prefer, call him, period. His number is 555-8720, period. Sincerely yours. Lesson 15, reading practice number 10. Dear Madam, to operate smoothly, your business needs favorable flow of working capital, period. When people are slow in paying their bills, they can cut into your available supply of cash, and there is always the chance that a number of people may not be able to pay their bills at all, paragraph. By asking people to pay their bills firmly and not a friendly way, you will resolve your collection problems and increase your receipts, paragraph. As you will see by the samples I am enclosing our collection stickers, make efficient reminders, period. They are brief and they are friendly, paragraph. Why not try them, period. An order card is enclosed, period. Sincerely yours.